Hey everyone, welcome back to Edit Mind Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a cool text animation using mask lines and motion blur and color effects in After Effects. For that, first we create a new composition, resolution 1920 by 1080, and create new composition. Frame rate 30 frames per second. Next, go to text tool. I am typing text animation. Now draw a mask line on the text using pen tool. And then select the text layer, go to text options, then go to text path options and choose the mask path. This will make your text follow the line you created. Then I want to add some CC fast radial blur. In the CC fast radial blur, I will adjust center position animation as per text animation. Nice dynamic motion feel. Now I want to duplicate the text layer above the original layer. And on the top layer I will remove CC fast radial blur effect, and I want to keep the bottom layer with blur effect. After that I will take one solid. If you like this If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials. Thank you.